Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? Today my Ammu is making biryani for all of us. Yay! First, she started by pouring the oil and frying the potatoes. Right now she's just frying the potatoes, nothing else. She fried it, then she's taking it out. After that, she's putting the cardamom, bay leaves and cinnamon, then the cloves and onions. Altogether, we are going to fry it. And finally, when the onions are like very much golden brown, we are going to put in our chicken. Then stir it perfectly so that the onions enhances the flavor of the chicken. After a few while, we are going to keep on stirring it, add our salt, red chili powder, and then we are going to again stir it very nicely. Every time, make sure that when you're putting in the spices, you stir it really good. After that, we are going to put the roasted cumin and black pepper powder, tomatoes goes in, and then curd. Also, ginger garlic paste. My almost forgot to show the ginger garlic paste, but don't forget to put it. Just after the curd, put the ginger garlic paste, and then mix it so carefully and thoroughly, because after we add every spice, we're going to mix it very nicely. After that, we'll add water, stir it again. Then we are going to add the potatoes that we fried earlier, mix it again, and we are also going to put in our green chilies. And there goes biryani masala. This is homemade biryani masala. And then we are going to quickly stir it again. After that, we are going to add our rice. Here goes our rice inside. And then stir it in. Mix the rice with our chicken and all the spices. Add salt. Mix it again very nicely. Add a little bit of more water and a little bit of lemon juice, then like rose water, and finally we are going to add this something like attar thingy, and then we are going to add ghee. After adding the ghee, we are all done, and just cover it up. After covering it up, when we open it, here is our delicious biryani ready. Just give it a good stir so that you can check the insides and outside and everything, and it's so good. Serve it hot. It was so super delicious, and we all enjoyed it so much. I hope if you want to try the recipe, don't forget to comment it down below, and we are of course going to show you. Bye bye, masalama.